This is a really big fire, I guess.
I'll do it.
Gotta stand on one end of it. Oh, it's hot!
Ruby, come on.
Ruby, please come over here.
Come on, Ruby.
She is dumb enough to walk right into it.
I know.
I don't know, that is hot.
It is a really hot fire. Charles, you happy with your fire?
Yes, I am.
Took him forever to light it.
I had to make suspense build up.
Ruby, come over here. How do you not feel how hot that is? This is our really big. We're trying to summon the fire department, catch trees on fire, stuff like that. Oh my gosh. Please don't set my cat on fire. Okay, this is really big fire. Bye. Bye, my brother.